it may be September, nearly October, but the plants are still looking absolutely fabulous in our garden. A couple of weeds just there. We've got the astilbe there, and this is the salvia hot lips from Proctor's nursery, and it's looking great. But if you look at this one over here, that one's looking really good actually, and they do well in sun or part shade. And look at it here, look, absolutely fantastic, love it, beautiful plant. And we've got a bean on there on the wisteria. We've kept an eye on the wisteria so far this year. It's looking good. What a fantastic wall, well looked after, but it works. That will cover an ugly space. Little citrus trees here, some fruits on there. Looking at the vitas, no grapes on these, but good to have a grapevine in your garden. Still lots and lots of clematis along here. There are lots of clematis that you can actually use in the winter. There's one called Clematis Serosa Bellarica, I think, which is like a little peachy colour, and that's like a December Christmas flowering clematis. These are the Hydrangea paniculata. They look absolutely fantastic as well. Beautiful. Some Viburnum Chinus, some Photinia. Catinus, dogwoods, Acua. Look at all the heucheras here. We've got these coreopsis here, and these are penstemons, and these penstemons, I've made a mistake before, I've got to be honest, and I've actually pulled them out thinking it was a weed. Huge mistake. Beautiful plant. And but we have got some back in our garden, but look at them, brilliant show. Yeah, just come down the garden centre now this morning. Just want to have a little look around, because there are a lot of plants, and no, we haven't been out, have we? No one's been out anywhere, so there isn't many people in the garden centre at the moment. It's a great shame because they're losing business, but it's great to come out and see some plants. There's fats here, and I tell you what, the Pittosporum they look absolutely fantastic. There's so many different types of varieties of Pittosporum, but they look absolutely stunning. Different shades, different colours. They have like little, in the summer, these little chocolate flowers on them. I think this one's called the Garnetti. This one here, it's got like a little margin edge on it, a little aureus edge. No, just walking around here now, and it's like a little ghost town. Come have a look up here, and over here, these are all emptied here, but there's no one in here. They've got such a beautiful sort of stock here, all looking healthy. They all do. Look at the grasses over here. It's a shame that people aren't out here buying them. Just looking at these pots now, and these pots are quite big. I've bought one down here before. I seen a video the other day with Bunny Guinness, and Bunny Guinness talks about how the soil inside the pot gets really hard and compacted, and you have to keep feeding it. So what she's actually doing now, even with these expensive pots, she's cutting the base out, and she's putting them Setting them in the position in amongst the borders with a nice big plant in, whatever that plant would be, and allowing it to grow in the ground. Setting them in the position in amongst the borders with a nice big plant in, whatever that plant would be, and allowing it to grow in the ground. So you've still got the architectural contemporary look, but the plant and the water, because what happens is when it's raining, that just gets harder and harder and harder inside those pots when you have this well-established plants in. So an interesting technique. Just check her out, Bunny Guinness, garden designer. She's won at Chelsea, I think, a few times. Interesting. There's some more big pots here. All the bagged products. Different contemporary pots over that side. These look like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Not my cup of tea. There you go. Going into the garden. Oh, look at these. These are that sort of classic look. Look at these. Outside your front door. Put your box balls in there, or your lavender. And you can see with these, they've got the height, but you don't need to fill all the pots up, so you just put your pots in and you can take those in and out. Good idea. Been around a while though, of course, but they look good, don't they? Nice colours. Here we go. They're getting ready for, I have to say it, for Christmas. Look at it.